Hello everyone, I'm Lenny from Streetlights. Today I'd like to show you a typical case of our LED HID bubble replace the Streetlamp HID. This streetlight is from a client. It is widely used on city main roads and is a truly classical design with 30 years of application history. It's very common. You can see it in places like Europe, Asia, Australia, and South America, and so on. The HID bubble is 400 watt. It can provide 13,000 lumens. The customers told us that they have to replace the HID bubble every few months, and the labor cost and maintenance cost is very high. Thanks to the durable design of the streetlight housing, it can last 20 years or even longer. Plus, its appearance blends well with the urban environment, so we have to keep the same fixture. Retrofit LED lighting is a good choice. We can keep the same fixture but with LED performance, achieve the same brightness, save 200% maintenance cost, and reduce 16% electricity bills. How can we do it? Just 3 steps. Number 1, we can figure out that our 175 watt LED HID bubble can be replaced the HID 400 watt. And the size is similar. Number 2, because our LED HID bubble integrate LED driver, it's AC 90 to 277 voltage input with 6 kV sugar potential. So we have to remove the glass inside the street lamp. Number 3, just install our LED HID bubble in it. Very easy. It's a perfect retrofit solution. Let's see the final effect of the street lamp. If you have any HID retrofit projects, contact me. I will give you the best solutions. See you next time. Bye bye.